Hello, my name is Rachel. I'm the Museum Officer at Conwy Culture Centre. So I'm currently standing in the strong room beneath the Culture Centre. This is where we keep all of the history relating to the county of Conwy, so all the records and the museum objects as well as the archive objects. We have just done a redisplay of the museum boxes, so we have 13 in total. These range from large items such as a washing machine to very small items such as gold rings. We're very lucky we could do this due to some funding from the UK Shared Prosperity Fund.
I'm Sabina. I am the Studio and Project Manager for View Creative. I think any exhibition design that we do is always a kind of creative journey, and I think with this one, because we work very closely with Rachel Evans from Conwy in terms of looking at the artefacts, so it was great to learn a bit more about the kind of history of Conwy County, and maybe not the sort of well-known history but more the sort of hidden histories of Conwy County and all the things that maybe people weren't quite so aware of.
The reason we did a redisplay was that the original museum displays had been in place since 2019 when the building opened. I wanted to address underrepresented histories such as women's history, queer history, so we wanted it to be a fuller picture of the whole of society. We
were commissioned to work with Conwy County Borough Council to do some work to develop the exhibition boxes. I worked with an illustrator and a graphic designer, and we did a series of backdrops like on this one and the exhibition vinyls.
So today we are opening and launching the new displays with a visit from Ysgol Tidno. We're very grateful that they are coming to celebrate that with us, and they are now open to the public, so please come along and view the pieces. They are free. You can just come into the library and you can find them throughout the bookshelves.